In this video, we're going to discuss the latest treatments in tinnitus management. Living with tinnitus can be extremely challenging, but staying up to date and learning about the most advanced treatments for tinnitus management makes you more knowledgeable, allows you to make decisions on what might be able to help you find tinnitus relief. Let's take some time to talk about the different treatments that are available to help you manage your tinnitus over the long run. First, apps. Apps that you can download on your phone or your tablet that help with tinnitus are great ways to have something in your hand at your fingertips whenever you might need it. Think of apps as your tinnitus companion that you can take with you wherever you need to go. Some features you want to look for in tinnitus apps are the following: a soundscape library, which provides you different sounds that you can use for sound therapy to help distract you from your tinnitus. You also want to look for relaxation exercises. These are exercises that can help with stress and anxiety and improve your overall well-being. The app should also have some guidance or some journey that it takes you on, so you know as you're going through the progression where you stand in your personal tinnitus journey. Another treatment that has been proven successful to work with tinnitus is mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and being non-judgmental in the moment to yourself. Mindfulness can help with stress, can help with anxiety, and can also help with overall well-being. You can find a lot of mindfulness exercises within apps today, but you can also reach out to a qualified mindfulness professional if you'd rather have some in-person dialogue. Another latest treatment that's available for you is transcranial magnetic imaging, otherwise known as TMI. This is not easily found and it's not adopted by many professionals, but it is a treatment that is available to you. With TMI, they're simply sending electric signals to different parts of the brain to try and kind of jolt the tinnitus and kind of move it out of the brain while using these electric signals. This is something you should definitely read upon, and if you want, reach out to a professional who provides this service to learn more. Another type of treatment that's gaining a lot of popularity today is bimodal stimulation. Bimodal stimulation simply means getting stimulation from more than one sense or modality. In many cases, you'll find there's usually an auditory component, such as sound therapy, maybe also with a visual component, looking at some imagery. Some newer products also use a tactile approach, where you have sound coming in through headphones, but there's also a tactile approach that can stimulate, say, the tongue. Bimodal stimulation is another way to help distract your brain from focusing on the tinnitus. Take a deeper look into the different bimodal stimulation options that are available to you. Another treatment that has been shown to be proven to work with tinnitus is cognitive behavioral therapy, also known as CBT. In CBT, the goal is to change our thoughts, which in turn can change our actions and behaviors. Oftentimes, it's about taking negative thoughts and helping mold and change them to more positive or neutral thoughts so that we react differently to those thoughts and ultimately behave differently. These are just some of the newest treatments that are available to help manage tinnitus today. We invite you to explore more treatments that you might find to see if something may work for you. Wherever you are in your tinnitus journey, these exercises can be very helpful in helping you find tinnitus relief. How can MindEar help you? The MindEar app was developed by a group of researchers and professionals based on scientific proven techniques such as sound therapy, mindfulness and relaxation exercises, as well as professional tinnitus coaching. All these features can be found within the MindEar app, and the MindEar app is a great place to start your journey to finding tinnitus relief.